This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so the question is, how do you customize your 404 page in WordPress? And maybe you want to do this because you want to add a little bit more relevant content to your 404 page. You want to add relevant links and give the user a little bit more information on what they can do and other places they can go to find the information they are looking for. So there's a couple ways you can do this. There's a few plugins out there. I have recently downloaded a plugin called 44, and I will leave a link in the comments section of this video. I also have another plugin which I found. It works exclusively with the Genesis framework, which I have. If you don't have the Genesis framework, it's not going to work for you. But I definitely like 44 does work with any other type of framework and theme. So I'm going to include that one in the comments. I think it's one of the best ones out there when it comes to 404 customizers. And they also have a pro version, which gives you even more features that you can use, such as adding a menu to it, adding your logo, etc. Okay, so this is what the default 404 page with that plugin looks like. So as you can already tell, it looks a lot better than the default 404 page you get with WordPress or certain themes. And this can be customized. You can change the text. You can change the background. You can change, the go to home. You can change a lot of things about it. So it's really cool, really neat, and it just looks really good. And then also, what you can do if you're comfortable with editing HTML and PHP, you can edit your 404.php file straight from the theme editor. If you go to Appearance down to Theme Editor. And mine is not going to be in my theme itself. It's going to be in my Genesis framework. And it is highly advised that you're using a child theme when editing files such as this. I don't have a child theme right now, so I'm not actually going to change anything because I don't want to screw anything up. But definitely have a child theme working on your WordPress before you edit any type of theme files. That way, if you update your theme, you won't lose all your changes, okay? But anyway, so this is in here, and this is called 404 template, or you're looking for 404.php file. And this is kind of what it looks like. And obviously they give you the warning right here: do not edit this file under any circumstances, use a child theme instead. But you can see just kind of basic things that you can change in here. You can change the text that you see. This was the default text. The page you're looking for no longer exists. You can change that. You can change kind of the entry content. And then a bunch of other stuff. You can add your own PHP functions to it if you want to add certain things. You can add a class to it, and you can change the background image, etc. So if you're comfortable editing PHP and HTML, this is the place that you would go to. So you don't need to use a plugin in order to do this. But if you're not comfortable editing your PHP or HTML and you don't have a child theme, I would highly recommend using a plugin like 44. It is free. They have a free version. And then there's also a pro version that you can use. Now, all of the plugins that I have checked recently, a lot of them haven't been really updated. So you kind of want to check to make sure it's going to run smooth on your WordPress build. And then just kind of keep an eye out to make sure they're updating it. You can even contact the plugin author to see if they're going to bring out a update for that plugin so that it is fully compatible with your version of WordPress. Okay, so that's two different ways you can edit your 404 page. And when I'm using the 44 plugin, you can see that it's an appearance. And if I go to 404 page right here, you can see all the things that I can change on it. I can change the title right here. I can change the text. I can add images. I can add a bunch of different things to it. I can edit the HTML. I can add links to this if I need to. And there's also things you can do. You can add text shadow, hide the background image, add a background color. So a bunch of really cool features in this. And like I said, it also stores logs for you. So it will log whenever someone lands on a 404 page. And that can actually help you diagnose a lot of issues in checking, oh, why is that link 404ing? You can kind of check it further and see what's going on with your pages to make sure that people are actually landing on the correct pages and that they're being served 404 pages effectively. And then they also have the pro features, which it kind of explains what you can end up getting if you buy it. I believe it's like $14 or $15 for one site, which is not really bad. Like I said, you can add your branding and custom menu, use different font types, search keywords, a bunch of different cool things. So again, I'll leave this plugin in the custom or in the comments below. I hope that helps you guys, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.